Sunshine, and today we are doing a DIY YouTube gold play button. I use this as a gift for my nephew who just started a YouTube channel. He's super new at it, but he's been watching YouTube for years. He wants to be like a future YouTuber, and so I made him this cute little play button just as kind of like an inspiration thing, as a congratulations, you finally made your YouTube channel type thing. And I think he's going to love it, and in total I think it cost me less than $5 to make. So it's super easy and super quick, and I'm going to show you how to do it because it's pretty much basic, simple stuff. So let's do this.
Alright, starting with just a simple little shadow box frame. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. Now, you can save yourself a lot of steps if you just go buy a shadow box with the back already black and beautiful and a frame already on it, a glass frame. But I was trying to do the cheapest route possible to see how it would look. So this is a Dollar Tree frame that does not have the actual glass frame on it. Anyways, catching back up. I'm going to take some polymer clay and I'm going to shape it into the size and shape of a play button, and then I'm going to just kind of carve the little play button out in it. I'm just working with it till it looks good. This is the oven baked clay, so I'm going to bake it, and meanwhile that is baking, I'm ripping this little piece off, and it caused a little hole in the back of this, so I used some air dry clay just to kind of smooth it out. And I'm going to paint this black, which kind of hides that for the most part. But again, if you just buy a shadow box, like go to Hobby Lobby, buy you a shadow box for a couple more bucks, and you will save yourself all these extra steps. So I did burn the clay a little bit on the play button, because for some reason I always burn polymer clay. But that's okay, because we're going to paint it anyways. No one's going to know it's burnt. It didn't crack. We're good. So here's me just painting this play button gold, because of course this is a gold play button tutorial. It may take a couple of coats to get your play button really good and gold and pretty, but just let it dry in between coats and paint it a couple times and it will look beautiful. So now it is time to assemble the frame. I'm going to assemble it together and get it ready for my pretty gold play button. Now, of course, we're going to place the play button in it and put a piece of glass over it. But guess what? This frame didn't come with glass. So what I did is I bought another frame about the same size, and I took the glass out of it. Also got this frame at the Dollar Tree. So that right there is $2 spent at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to hot glue our play button just where, of course, the play button goes in this little frame. And then I am going to take my little frame, and as you can see, I hot glued this frame on here. Don't do that. Let me just say right now, don't do that. It didn't last that long that way. Use some E6000 or some stronger glue if you're going to do it this way. So at this point, I did use my Cricut to make the YouTube logo and to put his YouTube name on it. But you could totally buy stickers, like from Walmart. They sell stickers and a bunch of different little letters, or Hobby Lobby, and just like put stickers of the name on there, or even paint it on there if you've got a good hand at painting. I don't. But that's it. You just like make a play button, you put it in a shadow box, and you put the name on the front in a sticker or a vinyl, and look how cute it is.
Okay, I hope you liked this video on how we made a DIY miniature gold play button. I think it turned out awesome, and I'm so excited to give it to my nephew, who is totally brand spanking new to YouTube. Is gonna love it. Anyways, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked this DIY project. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already to see DIY craft videos regularly, because I'm on it. That's it. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you